In this video today, I'm going to practically show you 3 different tips that I use to always get a crown seat to perform my tasks. So, and if you are new, you don't know what Poppo is all about. Poppo is a new platform that rewards its users with amazing benefits while you perform simple tasks. And don't go downloading the app yet, it's by invitation. So I'm going to give you my invitation and you need to be part of agency. So that is why I'm explaining now to members of my agency on how to sit to perform their tasks. So you can just check the comment section. So like right here, I'll just copy my ID so that I will show you. So if you click right here, this party sign, this cup, you click on this magnifying and then paste my ID. Right here, this is my ID. So you copy it and paste it. If you go, just do this. When you do that, you are going to click on my name so that you are going to see the people that are following me. The people that are following me and my people that I follow, you need to access that. Is very important, because when you don't follow the people that are members of your agency, you discover that when you want to perform your task, they will not be giving you seat. You'll be wondering, why are they not giving me seat? It's because you are not following members of your agency. So right here, if you come to my following, you are going to check my followers, right? See people I'm following, see my followers. So click on my followers, okay? When you click on the people that are following me, this is for people that are in my agency. As you know, this is our logo, right? So the next thing you are going to do, you make sure you follow all the people that you see that has this logo in front of their name. And if you click right here, you see success. That means you have followed this person. You see like this Precious right here, I'm already following her. This Baker right here, I need to follow her. I'll click on it, it's successful. So just check all the members of your agency and follow them. Reason is because the moment you are following members of your agency, whenever they are going live, you will be notified. And once you are notified, you can just immediately see the notification, you can just click, and before you know, because you are a member of the same agency, they will always welcome you and let you sit. And at most, if you go there, you do not see people sitting on that. If this crown seat is already filled up, you can just simply exit and check another person. So, but now, once you have followed them successfully, right, all you need to do is to go out again and then check the people that you are following. Because now that you have followed them, I'm going to show you the next thing you need to do, which is to see who is partying at the moment. So now I follow them. I'll now click on following, right? When I click on following, that means it will show me all these people that I just followed. That means they are members of my agency. So as you see, this sign of like music, like talk or something, you see this orange that I'm touching is moving. That's to show you that the person is partying. So all I will do is I will see a crown seat. I will just tap on it. When I tap on it, it will ask me if I can wait, okay? And then I will just click on OK on the mic link list. I will say OK. So if they do not answer me on time, all I need to do is to come back again and check who is the next person that is partying. So I will click on this. All right, let me click on this this particular person. She's a member of our agency. As you can see, it shows that she's okay. This one now shows that she's leaving. That means she's in a party, but she's not the one hosting a party. So she just joined a party and all that. So that's how you are going to do. By the time you click, you are going to see. The second thing is go to party. If by that way you did not get, the second thing you need to do is come to the party. Either somebody is following you, either is member of your agency or not, just come and click on the party sign. Scroll up. Just keep scrolling. Don't focus on the people that have large people that are in their party. Search to look for people that has limited number of persons. As you can see, she has only 5 people in her party. This lady have 6 people in her persons in her party. So by so doing, you just scroll and make sure you put your eye on those that doesn't have large following in their party. Okay, like this lady now, as you can see, she's in a different agency. She's not even in my agency. But I will just click on the seat to see if she will welcome me. If she accepts, good and fine. If not, I'll go out again. Before you know, I'll just, and then that will take me to the third tip, which is if you join a party, be nice. Just say, hi, good morning. You see, as I'm even just typing, she has already accepted me. And it's not as if we know each other from elsewhere, no. I just see her and I decided to join because I see that there's no much people in her party. So that's one. Secondly, consider the man that you should follow. If you come and join somebody and the person, you see that the person have a vacancy, why not follow the person? Say, hi, please, can I come and sit and perform my tasks? So these three things, if you do it well, honestly, if you do it so well, you are going to get a lot. Like sometimes, like me as a mama, sometimes I can just show some love, sometimes I can just gamble on them, but most of the times I don't do that. But I just decided since I am screen recording, let me just share some love. So those are the things I do to sit and do my tasks in different places, either in member of my agency or not. So if you have any question, ask. And if you are new, you are so welcome. Thank you so much. Poppo is a very beautiful platform. So in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link to sign up, a link to join my Telegram, how to join my agency. All the links to those videos, I'm going to drop it, and I also drop it in the description and it's a comment section. So thank you so much. Like and follow for more.